Right now it's task13d. Let's make a copy of this one, rename it to 13d, and open it with LibreOffice Writer. Here it is. Then here it says that we have to narrow the columns in the top table so that there is minimum white space but no text wraps within a cell. Okay, we go to the top table. Then what we do is we can resize it like this, but as you can see, the text is now wrapping the data inside the cell, but the task says that it shouldn't be doing like that. Okay, so we will just do it a little bit like that. Okay, so right now it's not wrapping. Then let's also move it side. Okay, like this. Okay, so we've removed the white space by shifting the lines. Then set the text wrapping options for this table so that the body text of the document flows around the table. In here, this table should be on the left, and the text, in this case it's this text, should be floating around or flowing around this table. And by default in LibreOffice tools, LibreOffice Writer, you don't have tables properties that make it happen. So in order to do that, you need to use something called frames. Okay, so what we will do right now, we will cut this table. Okay, select it, Control X. Oops, not like this. Just like we have to select it like Control X. Then in here we will insert a frame. Insert. There needs to be a frame. Okay, frame, and we will want frame, and let it be position left, and okay, so it is right here, and we will paste our text inside it. Okay, inside it, and our text will be flowing around. So we can right click, paste, and we need to resize this just like this. Let's move it a little bit. I think we need a little bit more width. Okay, I can go here. I need to also move it. Yeah, right now you may see that we are having this kind of border around the frame, right? I think we can change it easily. No borders, and you will not be able to see that border. What else? Let's also make sure that this table is showing up, and I think we need to make it a little bit larger. Okay, right now we are able to see the table, and this text is floating around it. It will be better seen if we have this kind of text in here. Okay, so right now we are sure that it flows around it. So there is a question you may ask. So this doesn't look the way how it is done in Microsoft Word. So let me show you what I mean. If you open the same task, which is 13d in here in Microsoft Word, it looks like this, but in our LibreOffice, we have this amount of space and it's a little bit complicated. Okay, but this is what you get, and this works. Okay, so this works, and that's how you do it. So logic is you need to have a frame, insert frame. Okay, insert frame, and then inside the frame you need to put your table. That's how it works in LibreOffice. Let's see. Provide document flows around. So we have done this thing, this task, and we'll proceed to the next one. Thanks.